What we're gonna do is we're gonna have eagle claw, eagle talon. I want you to have the kids curl their toes into the bottom of their shoes like they're grabbing onto something. Does that make sense? Okay, so your fingers are like this. Now mimic what I'm doing with my fingers with your toes. Grab onto the bottom, okay? Now when you do that, what kind of sensation do you feel when maybe you can just relax. What kind of sensation do you feel when you do that? Tensing, what else? Someone say cramping? Do you feel, yeah.
Grounded.
What's that?
Grounded.
Grounded, okay? Does anybody, so try it again. This time, feel like you're becoming part of the ground. And in addition to, let's do that first. Ready? So big belly breath in.
Okay.
And breathe out. And now curl your toes down and just maybe even try to tighten your legs a little bit. And feel it, so it's like if someone tried to lift you, even here's another way to do it. Have your feet shoulder width apart, and then this is another way to try. Try to bring your feet together without moving them. Does that make sense? So you're doing, the intention is if you had like 2 towels under your feet, you'd slide them together. But do that without actually moving your feet. And what do you feel in your legs? Right, this is all just energy, just bring the energy down. Because if you took a picture of some of these kids with a Polaroid, and they have Polaroids again. If you took a picture and you took the light, the energy would be all up here. Average kid, it would be like here and all over. These kids are all over because they're meant to do something else. If you want a really interesting adventure into learning knowledge, look up Indigo Children, look up Crystal Children. And then you'll learn about the kids that really are supposed to be doing the amazing things on the planet. Okay? Thank you for reinforcing that. That was the universe just going, doo-doo-doo. Okay, good.